Hi everybody, it's 15 August, and after a long time, I'm here to record video, guys. And my purpose is to just give you a message to you all on 15 August. And on 15 August, we got freedom, yeah. So this message is gonna just encourage you to just give freedom to your mom and daddy. I mean, to your family from from uh, family responsibility, guys. And everyone has to just take a devotion and dedicate yourself for your mom and daddy. Take responsibility from them and just give them freedom from responsibility and from anxiety, depression, fear. These all things, guys. Like when we got freedom, so we get many rights to live a better life here and to do whatever we wanted to do. And when in current situation, we have all rights, just whatever you want to start, do, like if you want to do your business and anything, we have legal rights. Same thing, guys. Have you ever asked your mom and daddy, like what kind of things are worry them? So as far as I'm concerned, so I have observed two and three things. First, worry. Every parents worry about his or her, I mean son and daughter future. Yeah, and mostly father worries about his son and just daughter just future, like what will he do and how will he survive. He knows pain of struggle, and he knows like how money is tough to earn in this scenario. But guys, that's why father just puts his heart and soul to earn money and to educate yourself, to educate his or her, his daughter or just son, to give him or her a better future. But guys, it's our responsibility to take responsibility. Our mom and daddy, how long time will they perform your responsibility? And guys, yeah, it will be awkward, like just to say your mom and daddy, just I'm gonna just take responsibility and you don't have to work. Let them work and don't realize them like just you are bank on them, you are depend on them. So take your responsibility to go to market. A little responsibility you have to take. That will make you mature, and that will make you courageous, and that will develop a critical thinking and decision making art. You will develop by doing these all activities. You can go to market and to buy grocery, and you can go for shopping and many more things. So you don't have to wait for your mom and daddy. And guys, on 15 August and every festival, I observe, like we ask to our mom and daddy just I want new clothes and new shoes, yeah, and sweets, and give me pocket money. Guys, have you ever asked your mom and daddy, mom and daddy, do you want something on festival like Holi, Diwali, and just and 15 August? I mean Independence Day, and this it's also a festival for all Indians. Not at all, guys. And never ever ask to your mom and daddy. Just go to market and buy gift which your mom and daddy like, and that is gonna just little bit add happiness in their life, and just give them surprise, guys. Literally, just do once, then you will realize what's I mean just happiness of a gift. When a child, I mean when a daughter or son gives to his mom and daddy. So and guys, every father and just mother has only one wish: my daughter or my son must be healthy. So work on your fitness, guys. So that's why you can see I'm in a gym and just to work on my fitness. Every mom and daddy just has first priority. Their wish is my son and daughter must be healthy to live here a better life. If you are healthy, then you can live anxiety free life, disease free life, worry free life, yeah. And just then you can do anything whatever you want to do, guys. So just go to park if you can't afford gym. And I don't think so if you can afford 100 rupees and just 200 rupees in a week on pizza and just burger on junk food. So I don't think so you cannot afford 6 and 700 monthly on gym. Easily you can afford if you just save your pocket money rather than spending on those junk food, guys. Junk food really just it will make your worst version, and you will have to suffer from disease, and that will also make your parents worry. Why not? You should just start a good habit, guys, to make your parents happy. I do just often I do. First of all, I weigh up like what should I do, and what do I do that make my mom and daddy happy, and then I just take action. I don't ask to anyone, rather than just observing my mom and daddy, just their happiness on which they depend. Like whenever I do something, and when I do physical activity, when I just take their responsibility, and when I ask, when I spend time with them, guys. In this time, like everyone has a lame excuse. I don't have time to spend with my family, and they do have time to spend on social media and just outside. I don't want to just mention in early morning, but they don't have time to spend with your family. That's really so worst, guys. If you can't give to, I mean, if you are not earning money, so you can do one thing. Just spend time, like 30 minutes and 1 hour with your family, and that will be just like useful for you, and you will learn real life experience, how to live in society, and what kind of things you will have to face, and how to be mentally fit, physically fit, guys. Our life is based on three things, you can say. Like our auto needs three wheels to run on the road, same thing we need three wheels, like mental strength, physical strength, and financial strength. And there are also one more thing, like wisdom. So you can say our life is depend on just four wheel, mental strength, and physical strength, and financial strength. But if I talk about wisdom, so wisdom is also part of mental strength, like take decision and many more things. So I hope just on this 15 August you are gonna give to your mom and daddy, and me too, guys, and that will be just a little bit freedom for them. You can see, you can purchase like shoes, you can purchase a sari for your mom, and anything else, whatever your mom and daddy like. So guys, really I just appreciate to you all just to watch this video, and to spread and to share in your friend circle. So guys, and just celebrate. And guys, I observe also, like in Delhi, it has been more than 8 years I'm living here. So like, I mean, they celebrate 15 August in a different way. Like they just fly the kite, and they just play the song, I mean DJ, and just on the just terrace, on the terrace, and they just have some wine and just unnecessary things. It doesn't mean of freedom. Freedom means like you are gonna take your responsibility. Yeah, freedom, it does not mean you are just backing off yourself from responsibility. Freedom means you are going to take your responsibility, guys. And so I hope this 2025 15 August, like Independence Day, you are gonna just celebrate in a different way, guys. And one more thing, just I wanna share with you all. I wanna just get off my chest. I realized yesterday when I was in a park and sitting under the tree, then I realized, guys, sometimes just we feel life is really, I mean, just anxiety and depression, fear, self-doubt, and many more things. So how to just make it, guys, flow? I mean, just we don't have to just worry about what's going on in my life. Just live. But it's really little bit tough. It's not gonna be easy for me and for you all. But we have to work. My father said to me, love, like uh, to make our life easy, it's difficult. Yeah, but to make our life hard, it's very easy. If you don't do something, anything, then your life will be difficult. If you are doing something, then your life will be easy. So guys, also remember freedom fighter. They dedicated and they just sacrificed their life for us. And just you can play, and you can just contribute your 1 and 2 minutes for them. Like you can play a national anthem, a national song for them, guys, in your society where do you live, and any just public place. More just you can get together with just residents of society, and just you can contribute 1 and 2 minutes to just play a national anthem and national song. And you can also host the flag that will just like a little bit, it I mean just it lead the nationality, it lead the togetherness, brotherhood. Like yeah, in one country there are many different religion, I mean diversity, but our we have only one identity, we are Indian. And rather than Hindu, Muslim, any religion. Our religion is only Indian, and our second religion is just from which community do you belong. So, guys, yeah, and at the end, I wanna just say to you all only one thing: just live every moment and never ever worry about, guys, like what will happen next. Most 90% people they are worried about what's gonna be happen next. So why do we need to think about what gonna be next? That is not in our hand. If it's in our hand, that's a matter to worry. It's not in our hand. Why do we need to worry, guys? So just keep on flowing in your life and keep on doing whatever you want to do, and don't stuck, and just find out what kind of opportunities surrounding me. So Jai Hind.